Welcome to Soft Reviewed. In this video, I want to share with you a new free Chrome extension that I built. This is called Webhook Sender. And once you install this, you can find it in your extension menu. And you just need to scroll and find this one and just pin it so that we can set up our initial webhook. So I created this for if you are seeing something interesting on website and if you want to copy that text and pass it to the webhook. Now it's really easy. You don't have to any third-party application. You can just do it from the comfort of your Chrome browser. So it makes our life so much easier. And you can trigger anything. If there is a webhook, you can send data to it. I'll also show you some example how I am using this. So once it's pinned, you can just click on this add new webhook button. Also, add different webhooks like this, and you can also give like a webhook URL, a name, and the key, which is optional. In this particular use case, my webhook is expecting this as the data. So I need to pass in that key. For example, this is the webhook key that it's expecting. If only it receives the data like that, then only it can work with that. So I'm just copy pasting the key exactly like what's expected and just saving the webhook so that it's saved. And in order to get the URL, I can get the URL from here and also just come here and paste the webhook URL. And let's give it a name to identify it. Let's give it news and just click on the save all webhook button, and our webhook is now saved for our use. So what this does is like it's waiting for the response, webhook response, and once it receives the webhook with the data, it will start this automation process. It can be anything. Maybe it can be sending an email or creating content. This trigger all these automations for me. So I can just copy a text and send it to webhook, and this will start writing. So that's the whole idea. And if I want to show you, this is where I can see the details whether the webhook is coming in or not. So for this example, I can get select this, and you can see this new option here once you install the Chrome extension. And this is the one that we just created. We named it news, right? So that's why the name is like that. And when you select it again, it will directly send the webhook, the selected text, the webhook. So let's just test it. I'm just clicking on news, and let me just refresh it. As you can see in the queue, there is one data, and we can just click on the details, and this is the text that I selected and with the key news detail. So I hope you understand how powerful this is, and it's absolutely free to use. And you can also support me by visiting the link in the description if you want me to further enhance the extension. Give it a try, and I hope this will make your life so much easier. It certainly improved my productivity. Hope it will do the same for you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.